Dan with Inline Performance Mag. I want to show you a new technique. This is the Technic Chicane jacket. It's got a waterproof Z-line liner, and it's made out of goat skin. You know, it's a great jacket. It's a nice tight fit, high on the waist. The only thing that I would say about this, even though it says waterproof, do not get it wet. It will shrink. It's goat skin leather, not any other type. Anyway, it's got a good fit, nice shoulder protection, same molded elbow protection and everything else, and not to mention the back protector on your back.
You gay. You gay still.